Hey there, property investors. Are you ready to take your rental income to the next level? Stick around, because today I'm diving into maximizing rent with custom lease strategies tailored to your property's unique features. First up, let's talk about highlighting unique amenities. Look, every property has something that makes it stand out. Maybe it's those renovated interiors, or perhaps you've got high-end appliances, a fitness center, or awesome outdoor spaces. Emphasizing these features can attract tenants who are willing to pay a little extra for that premium living experience. Next, flexible lease options. Offering flexibility in lease terms is key. For instance, you can provide shorter lease durations for tenants who need that flexibility, or offer longer leases to secure reliable tenants for extended periods. Flexibility caters to different tenant needs and can make your property more attractive. Now let's talk about rent premiums for upgraded units. If your property has varied unit features like in-unit laundry, updated kitchens, or scenic views, you need a pricing structure that reflects the value of those premium units. Units with these added appeals can be priced higher, justifying the premium rental rates. Okay, moving on to developing a pricing strategy, it's crucial to evaluate market demand and tenant preferences. Younger tenants often prioritize modern tech-enabled units, while families may value larger floor plans and proximity to schools. Understanding these preferences helps you emphasize the right features and structure your lease terms effectively. Location-specific appeal is another big one. If your property is near transportation hubs, entertainment centers, or business districts, you can justify higher rental rates due to convenience and desirability. People pay for location, so leverage it. Tiered pricing is also a smart move. Implement different pricing tiers for basic units, partially upgraded units, and fully renovated units. This captures a broad tenant base and maximizes your income potential. Now, let's talk about offering customizable lease terms. Lease renewal incentives are a great way to improve tenant retention. Offer minor rent concessions or upgrades for tenants willing to renew at a slightly higher rate. This can reduce turnover costs and keep your property occupied. Flexible lease durations and concessions are also important. Offer varied lease durations like 6, 12, or 18 months, and concessions such as a discounted first month for longer leases. Flexibility can attract a wider range of tenants and align your lease terms with market demand. And don't forget about promotions for high-value units. Market these units with promotions or perks, such as including utilities or waiving certain fees. These promotions add perceived value and can attract quality tenants willing to pay for premium units. Here's an example for you. Imagine you have a unit with a modern kitchen and scenic views. You could price this unit 10 to 15% higher than a standard unit, aligning rental rates with the enhanced features offered. This strategy ensures you're maximizing your rental income while providing tenants with the value they seek. So there you have it. Tailored lease strategies to boost your rental income and attract quality tenants. Remember, understanding your property's strengths, differentiating amenities, and tenant preferences is key. Customize those lease terms and watch your rental income grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more property investment tips. Catch you next time.